Reviews are one of the most important factors while deciding on a new product or a service online. We all know it. You will be amazed, but according to USA Today, only 5 to 10% users end up leaving reviews after they're done buying a product or a service. Most of the people who leave reviews are either those who absolutely love or hate the experience, or those who are emotionally attached, positively or negatively. I had such a wonderful experience, I love that product and I want to tell the whole world about it. Or I had such a bad and horrible experience and I want to warn everybody out there not to repeat that mistake again. Some of us might be more inclined to write reviews than others. Personally, I occasionally write reviews. However, if I tell you that you get paid by writing reviews, you might be a bit motivated to listen to what I have to say. Out of many sites out there, I have pinpointed top 5 sites that pay you for leaving reviews. Please make sure to hit the subscribe, like, and bell button for more videos like this in future. And do not forget to leave comments and questions in the comment section below. With that, let's get right to it. Number 5 in our list is Slice the Pie. Once you go to slicethepie.com, simply hit the sign up, fill out the basic form, you get email to confirm, and log in. There are 4 categories that you can choose from: kids, music, fashion, and lucky dip. For demo purpose, I'm choosing one for kids. Click on that. And here it is, Bravo Stroller or Bluebird. Make sure you read all the description in detail, key features, pay attention to all the tiny details. Click on all the images. If you need to zoom in, do that. And once you do it, write a brief summary. Remember, you are helping this company that is collecting this data to improve the product, set the right price point, and appeal to the right folks so they can generate a lot of sales. Because customers' feedback is very, very important. If you go out to the market without really knowing what people are looking for, you can fail terribly. So look at that orange bar that keeps on going all the way to the right. Make sure that you go to the end, and that means that you've satisfied the number of words that is required for this review. The rating is also needed from 0 to 10. I picked 9 for this one. And then the next thing you need to do is setting the price point. For myself, I find this pretty decent, so my price point, and this is all guesstimate, $324 to $459. Answer a few questions right underneath, and you are all set. Once you hit the submit, now it's gonna spin, and there you go. You have won 21 cents. Not one, but you earned 21 cents. I've collected 54 so far. It's not much, but if you keep on doing this over and over, there's several other reviews you can do. Music is another big thing for Slice the Pie site. And for R&B, you can just go and choose your own. I'm going to show you one more under Lucky Dip so that you get an idea. So let's do one for Evercoming Fits. Choose your price point, your size, what device you use, and hit submit. So this is a crew neck muscle fit t-shirt. I'm not a very pink guy, but I mean, not much detail provided, and all you got to do is just give your honest feedback about what you feel, what you think it is, and you need to write a sentence or two. Once you do that, the next step is to rate it from 0 to 10. I'm not a big pink guy, so for me, I would probably give this a 7, and there is really no other questions that you need to answer. So once you do that, set up the price point, and for me, I'm going to say 10 to 20 bucks for it. Submit, and here you go. You've earned another penny. I mean, it keeps on adding. So there it is. Making to number 4 in our list is Swagbucks. Swagbucks is one of the most popular websites out there that pays you not just for the reviews or the surveys, but to shop, discover, watch, even play games. As you can see, it shows you how many minutes you would normally take to do a survey and how many points you would normally earn for doing something like this. The games typically tend to pay a little bit more than others, but you gotta play a game, install and play a game. The websites we all buy, shop, you just get money back. I mean, you can't beat that, right? So I'm gonna show you for demonstration purpose one quick survey that says it takes about 11 minutes by PepsiCo. PepsiCo is launching a cashback rewards loyalty program called PepCoin, and you're just required to answer a whole bunch of questions. There are 36 questions in this survey. You just keep on going. They're basic questions. Even though there are 36, it says 11 minutes. It may not take you that long. You just got to be patient and just go through that. The questions format is, some of them are multiple choice and they can be quickly clicked through, but some require engagement so that you're not just randomly clicking, but you're giving your honest, candid feedback. Because customer opinion is very important for these companies when they're launching product like this. That is the whole reason they're paying you for your opinion, your feedback, your reviews. This question is asking you to type an answer, and even though it is you're required to type answers, they're just the basic questions that you gotta write. Some of them are have rating, and this is a rating from strongly disagree to strongly agree type of question. So keep on going to the next one, and this one is a little bit different. Out of these products, which one are you likely to click on? So do you like any of these products for this concept? Personally, I like drinking water a lot compared to soda, so I went with the Aquafina. But folks who like soda, I'm sure that they like this rewards program. Go to the next one. Pricing is the next important factor. It got to be priced right in this competitive environment, especially right now as we're dealing with the COVID-19. People are strapped, losing jobs and whatnot. So even smaller product, $1, $2 worth product will make a big difference if they're not priced right. So go through that, and towards the end, you're just supposed to write a quick summary of what your overall thought is. Hit the finish survey, and there you go. You have just won 3 Swagbucks from doing that. So you got the idea. You can keep on doing this over and over, and you can convert these Swagbucks into actual dollar, like $10 card, $25 Visa card, Amazon, or even PayPal. So there is our Swagbucks. Number 3 in our list is G2. Unlike the previous sites where you get to review physical products, G2 allows you to review software and services for business and professional use, and sometimes apps could be for personal use. The landing page is pretty user-friendly. As you can see on the top right, there are several menus where you can click to write reviews, look at different software, services like marketing services. There is a link for vendors and the profile. Make sure that you use LinkedIn, Facebook, Google, or email to sign up. I prefer LinkedIn because you can share that review at LinkedIn if you wish. You don't have to, but that's just an option. But it's just very easy to do that. So you can look for different software. The whole idea is this site allows you to shop for different types of software and services out there. So if I'm looking for storage, for instance, and hit the search, then it will show me a whole bunch of different software that is related, that offers storage. So Amazon S3, simple storage services, or also known as S3, is the top one, and you can look at different reviews here by different users. So once you do the review, it will be published in this page right there. So if I'm shopping for a product like this, then I can go and look at different reviews, just like when you buy products on Amazon or eBay, and the site offers you a quick video. Once you're done with signing up, the next you want to do is build your profile. You want to tell G2 what kind of software you use in daily basis and what kind of industry you work for. For instance, here we have video conferencing. I use Cisco predominantly, and I also sometimes use Zoom. I use MailChimp for my email marketing for the most part. And if I scroll down here, there is a survey which I have used. I don't use survey app that much, but I've used SurveyMonkey once or twice in the past. So I want to keep on scrolling down and select what kind of apps I use. Google Drive for my storage and file sharing. Sometimes, a few times I've used Dropbox. And for the social media, it's totally up to you what kind of solutions, softwares that you use in your day-to-day work. So once you're done, you want to go ahead and hit the continue, and there it is. All the apps that you have selected now are right there. Out of all the software that I have chosen, I have only done reviews for these two. Today I'm going to show you the review for Google Drive. You will be getting an email like this asking for you to write review in exchange of $10 Amazon gift card. Once you click on the link, this is what the review page looks like. First thing you will be doing is rate it from 0 to 10. How likely are you to recommend this to a friend or a colleague? I give 9 as I really like the way it works for me. The title should be short and sweet, followed by what you like the most and what you dislike. You want to be as candid and as honest as possible because that's what they're looking for. If I'm looking for software, I want to know what is there to think about, pros and cons, the both sides. You want to give all the details about what kind of industry you use this for, what kind of company you work for, how many employees and whatnot, what vertical. And do you currently use this? Make sure that you are uploading the screenshot which is required on G2. This is the matter of fact only one that requires you to upload the screenshot. They want to make sure that you're a legit person giving this review. And these are just the basic, you're certifying you are who you are. And after that, there's some rating you need to do from 1 to 7 on how you think that it meets requirements, ease of use, quality of support, and some few things like why did you switch, and do you think it is headed to the right direction, and things like that. And it's all going to vary for different software, but you get the idea how elaborate the review is. They get into as many detail as possible. So there's a whole bunch of other rating that you need to do from 1 to 7. As you look on the right side, there are the bars, green bars, showing you the completion. How close are you to completing the review? And once you're done, this is the submission that you need to do. You can post it in LinkedIn where you don't have to. Once you do that, then you will get an email like this that the review was approved, and you can claim the reward like this. Click on that, you will get an Amazon gift card, which you can go to the Amazon site, your profile, and then upload that gift card. There it is, $10 for just doing a few minutes review. Number 2, Gartner. Gartner is known for the Magic Quadrant, which is a series of market research reports that is published by the company that demonstrate the market trends such as directions, maturity, and participants. Peer Insights is Gartner's peer-driven ratings and reviews platform for the enterprise IT solutions and services covering over 300 plus technology markets and 3,000 vendors. Every review is verified before publishing it to ensure that the readers are getting authentic insights from the peers and just not a phony review. As soon as you sign up and log in, you will see different types of software that you can choose from. In this case, I selected Duo Access, as that is the authentication software that I use on daily basis for VPN authentication. Click on that and you can start a review. There are 18 total questions in this one, a lot of rating ones as well as few sentences that you need to write. Once you're done with this, hit save and exit. Expect an email asking you to write another review for an exchange of a gift card. They offer Visa instead of Amazon gift card, and click on go through the process again. You will get an email saying that your review has been approved. And finally, they will send a link so you can redeem that gift card. And here it is, $5 gift card. So I can simply use this as a Visa card or go to Amazon and upload. Number 1 in our list is Capterra. Capterra is one of the leading marketplaces for software just like G2. Simply using your LinkedIn account, sign up and log in. Once you log in, you will be in the Capterra's portal. The dashboard shows your basic information about who you are and what company you work for and so forth. Right underneath, it shows you where to start, and by simply clicking on write review, it will take you to the page where you can see a whole host of software that you can pick and start reviewing. Like WhatsApp. WhatsApp is one of the most popular app out there today we use to communicate worldwide. Simply fill out your first and last name, email address, and company you work for. I chose Capterra over others and rank it number 1 because it's very easy, short and sweet process, and it also pays you more than others. Once you fill out this basic info and state your role, the next thing you need to do is just rate it in star rating and also from 0 to 10, and this is the final step. Just give a good title to your review, pros and cons, what do you like about this product and what do you dislike. Be as precise and as specific as possible so you're giving a candid, honest review. Rest of the questions are optional, even though I like to give as detailed review as possible. Did you switch from another product? And finally, you certify that you are giving this to your best knowledge, and that's it. You're done. You will get an email saying that you are getting a $20 gift card. You can claim that reward and you can keep on doing this over and over. As you can see, I have done several and claimed several rewards. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this video useful. Please make sure to subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon for more videos like this, and leave your comments and questions in the section below.